Welcome to Pallet Pickers. We are a brand new channel. We've been doing a lot of searching for Amazon return boxes, pallets, stuff like that. We've got some boxes just once in a while, onesie, twosies, but now we're starting to get into pallets. So we want to take you guys on a journey with us, starting at $150. We're going to go up to 15 grand. So if you're interested, let's follow this journey, see where we can go. Let's get going. We got a smaller pallet. We paid $135 today. We got a equalizer, door handles, some Bluetooth speakers, an air nailer, a Canon scanner, Craftsman 20 volt drill, some Pyle Power Sports speakers for razors, quads, etc. We got a projector from Poyank. It's not one of the bigger name brands, so I don't know how much this will go. We'll drop the price on all of these as they came up on the screen. I'll put the price attached. We got a Samsung speaker setup. Like I said, I don't know if anything works yet. I haven't tried anything, so it's all a coin toss when you're pallet hunting. I don't know if everything's in the boxes even. And then we also got a mystery box. Came in like this, wrapped up. I didn't know what was on here. Let's get into this. We're going to show you guys what we find out. Welcome back. We are so excited. A lot of the items were working. Unbelievable. I was shocked, but we had two issues. Canon scanner just doesn't connect. Not at all. Then this wireless rear speaker setup, it's missing the cables to the speakers, but that's not that big of a deal, so I can sell this for a little bit cheaper. So I'm down. I think that Canon was about $60 online, so not that big of a loss. All the big items are working correctly, so we're gonna get into this. We're gonna start flipping this stuff. We'll see you soon. What's going on? Well, exciting news. We just flipped 4 of the items. So excited. We turned that 135 bucks into 150 bucks. So we're going back tomorrow to get another pallet. I'm going to keep you guys updated. It's going to be an ongoing update because a lot of stuff's going on. I sell, I get my money back. I'm going to go back, turn around, go get more items to sell while we have some items still needed to be sold. But what we did end up selling is the KwikSet doorknobs, $30. We sold a Craftsman drill for $50. The roof nailer, we sold that for $75. And that's it right now. We still got the big items for sale. We got somebody interested in the projector. Another person's interested in the Pyle wireless speakers. We'll be back. So thank you for watching. Thanks for the first episode. Hope you guys liked it. Next episode, we're going to take you guys with us to where we go. And we'll just do a short intro video of the pallets they have. We'll show you what we got, loading it up, unloading it. And we're going to do this all over again. Thank you guys. Remember, please like this, subscribe, hit the bell notification. We'll see you guys shortly, maybe a couple days. Peace.